in the sky. It's so pretty. The swirly, curly clouds. Isn't it pretty? It's windy out. My hat wants to blow away. Layla. She blends in with the dry grass. Look how high these weeds are. They go up to here. They're waiting for us. Me and Nico, the two slow pokes. Lila's cute. She won't go too far unless I catch up. She waits for me. And Millie will keep going until we call her. So she's good too. She always comes when we call. She's a good girl. I've got Lila now. Nico's off leash. Nico's good about that. Usually, I still gotta keep an eye on him just in case. He just lags. We are walking from the other end of the walk that we usually do. We're going the opposite way just for a change of pace. Lila's not too sure. She doesn't know where we're going because we took a different path. Well, we made it to the park. Secure. This one's full of energy. Puppy energy. Anyhow, we forgot to make a turn. We ended up going off maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes off the path. So we get an extra 15, 20 minutes in. Okay, we're tired again. We were tired to begin with, now we're exhausted again. We went on an especially long walk. Oh. Do you want me to throw it or not? It distracted you. Filming the grass. 17 seconds of the grass I'm filming. Lila, did you leave the ball? Did you leave it? Or are you sitting on it? On the ball. On the hunt. She's got her head down into a hole, I'm sure.
It's not like a large lizard.
Large lizard. Well, it's not the ground squirrels, so I'm sure she can smell the ground squirrels.
I don't know if a ground squirrel in the bush.
Well, they may have. Well, rabbits go. There's like holes, maybe in the bush. You know, for a hiding place? I don't know, man. I know there's rabbits, bunnies here.
I've never seen any.
Me neither, but Alex says he has, so he's been here 16 years, so he would know. So there are holes there. Oh, well. Anyway, there was a hole in there. So there might be a hole in there too where Millie's head is poking in. Lila smells it too. There's the hole Millie was in. Went and walked a block. I'll have a walk. Oh, now she sees a cat.
You need to just leave it. Cat. It's fine.
As if we don't have enough cats at home. Alright, she got bored. We see cats every day. Let's watch her run. Bounding down the tall grass. I don't even see her anymore. There goes Lila. Gonna pursue. Oh, there she is. There's gonna be a ring around my head when I take this head off. Oh, look, see? You can see it already. Let's go home, Millie. It's I'm hungry. I was gonna say it's getting late, but I don't know what time it is. I'm just hungry. Millie, what are you sniffing? Come on, honey. Oh, she's going pee. She's sniffing other dogs' pee. Anyhow, Millie loves this trail walk. She always pulls for this trail. She loves it. She likes to chase the squirrels and cats up the trees here. Millie's happy. And Lila's always happy because she's a puppy. She's got something stuck on her. Do you need help? Oh, you got it. You got, let me check. Oh no, I think you're good. You're good. Where's Silver? One burr. Oh, got it. Are we good? I think I got it all. We'll catch up with your sister. Come on. Very good. He's a cute dog. He looks like he's older. I don't think that white husky is unfriendly. I think that white husky is. There's these guys now. Anyways, the white husky is just talkative. But I'm not sure about the Rottweiler. Where are the mastiffs are inside. Oh. Okay, here they are. They're not inside. There's the mastiffs. Okay, we'll keep moving. You did. Bye-bye, mastiffs. We'll keep moving. So it's around 10:25. I fell asleep trying to edit today's footage into a video. I was so tired. The girls are tired. Nico's tired. Okay, well, good night then. We'll see you tomorrow.